Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making perfect and just so tasty Snickers donuts. They're going to perfect. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm getting all like, ooh, jumpy Snickers. I love my chocolate Snickers. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 325 degrees and let's dive right into these amazing Snickers donuts. I'm excited. So in our mixing bowl, we want to start by adding in 1 cup flour, a half cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to go ahead and give those a quick little whisk. One hand. A quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead, scoot that to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and start by adding in 6 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now with our hand mixer, medium, low speed, let's go ahead and blend all these ingredients together until they are nice and combined. Now let's go ahead and add our dry ingredients. Blend all these ingredients together until they were just combined. Now let's go ahead, move this delicious donut batter to our piping bags and start piping them into our donut pan. You want to fill your donut wells about 2/3 of the way full. Then you just pop your pans in the oven and let bake for a good 10 to 12 minutes, or until a cake tester comes out clean. But you shouldn't need more than 12 minutes. They're that quick, that easy, and that delicious. So our donuts have baked. They've cooled to room temperature for a good 10 minutes. Now let's go ahead and start on our delicious Snickers topping. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in a half cup of marshmallow fluff, and a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Then with our hand mixer on a medium high speed, we're going to go ahead and blend these ingredients together until they are nice and smooth. Once your Snickers topping's all done, we can go ahead and start with just decorating these amazing, so good donuts. Just give each donut a good, generous topping of this marshmallow peanut butter, just fluff, whipped, delicious goodness. It's so good. I know you guys are really gonna love it. And then we're going to go ahead and top with some peanuts. And drizzle with some yummy caramel sauce. And just like that, our quick and easy, but oh so tasty Snickers donuts are done. They're ready to be eaten. Dive right into, so good. I'm I'm gonna have to eat one of these off camera because I will be a barbarian and I will be like Cookie Monster, but with donuts, just rom, 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 rom. So good. That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try these wonderful Snickers donuts, give a tag and let me see on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. I always get excited. And until next week, bye.